In this video, you'll learn how to deploy an app from Lovable. By following these steps, you will successfully publish your application online and make it accessible to users. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Lovable and press enter. This action will direct you to the Lovable homepage where you can start the deployment process. Once the Lovable homepage loads, locate and click on the home option, typically found in the navigation menu. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can view all your projects. Next, find and click on the Projects tab in the navigation menu. This section displays all the applications you have created within Lovable, allowing you to select the one you wish to deploy. After that, click on the All Projects option to view the complete list of your applications. This will ensure you have access to every project you have developed. Now, choose the app you want to deploy by clicking on its name from the list. This action will open the Project Details page where you can manage deployment settings. Once the Project Details page appears, look for the Preview button and click on it. This will allow you to review your app before finalizing the deployment. Next, find and click on the Publish button. This is a crucial step as it initiates the deployment process, making your app available for public access. After clicking Publish, a message will appear showing the website address for your app. Take note of this URL as it will be essential for sharing your app with others. Then, click on the option to choose your app's URL or use the generated one. Here, you can customize the URL if desired or keep the automatically generated one. Following this, click on Continue to proceed with the deployment process. This action confirms your URL selection and moves you to the next configuration stage. You will now see a message asking who can access your website. This prompt allows you to set privacy options for your app. Next, click on Choose Website Access Permissions. This will enable you to specify who can view your app once it is published. After that, select Public to make your app accessible to everyone. This is important if you want to reach a wider audience. Once you select Public, click on Continue to confirm your choice. This action will finalize your access settings. A message will appear displaying the website info. This section provides details about your app, which you may want to review before publishing. Next, look for the message that says Help people discover your app. This is where you can set up promotion aspects for your application. Following this, choose an icon and title for your app. This is an important branding step as it helps users identify your app visually. Next, type in a description for your app. This description will inform potential users about the functionality and purpose of your application. After that, click on Social Image. This option allows you to upload an image that represents your app on social media platforms. Once you've selected an image, click on Preview to see how your app will appear with the new settings. This preview will help you ensure everything looks correct. Following the preview, click on Continue to move forward with the final steps of the deployment process. A message will appear asking ready to publish. This is your final confirmation before making the app live. Next, review your settings as prompted. This step is essential to ensure that all configurations are correct before the final deployment. Now, click on the link that says, quote, heartful-hub-hq.lovable.app. This will take you to your app's specific deployment page. Then click on Website Access to double check your access settings once more. Next, click on Website Info to view your app's details again, ensuring everything is set as per your requirements. A message confirming ready to publish will appear. This is your last chance to make any adjustments before going live. Finally, click on Publish to complete the deployment process. This action will make your app available to the public, allowing users to access it through the provided URL. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.